What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Ollie from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same sized oval on the right. So we start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add in the eyelids. Starting from the inside of the left eye, go across and then bend that down. Line this up on the right, going across and then down. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the top left, I'm going to draw an oval. Coming down, go back up towards the top. Line this up on the right side. And I'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's draw in the eyebrows, starting from the top left, curve this down, and then bend that in, line it up on the right, and we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's add a fold in between the eyes for the nose. We're going to go up in the middle and then back down. Now step down and draw an opening for the mouth with an oval. Starting in the center, go all the way around, come across the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's go to the center of the mouth, draw a point, and then draw the left side of the mouth. We're going to go up, come all the way around toward the bottom, go up on the right side, and then back down toward that center point. Let's move out to the side and draw two straight angled lines to separate the teeth. Now I want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. For the outside left eye, we're going to add a fold. So we're going to step out, draw a C shape, going around and then in. Line this up on the right side, going out and then in. Let's layer the ears in behind. So we're going to step up, out, and then in. Now we're going to tuck the head in underneath. So we step back out underneath the ear, coming down, come across just underneath the mouth, and tuck this up underneath the right ear. Let's go up to the top and add those three spikes. So we're going to start on the top left, going out, and then bend that up. And I want to round up this point, come in, and then down. Let's add that center point. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then come back down. Now we're going to add that thick X in the center of the head, starting in the middle with a point. Go up and up towards the left and right side. Let's flatten off the ends, coming down and then out. Let's work our way back in towards the side of our X. And then we'll draw on the bottom, coming down and out. Flatten this off. And then go up in the middle. Now I'm going to add that thick fold underneath the neck, starting on the left side, come around and then in. Now I want to dip that down and then back up towards the right. Just flatten that out. Let's add a seam on the side with a curve. Now we want to draw the side of the body. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve this out and then down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add that tape cassette in the center of the body. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going across, round up the corners, and come down. Let's round out the bottom corners, go across towards the right, and then round that out. Let's close off the hips. Curve this down and in behind. And then you want to add that string, starting on the top left, angles down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Step in, draw that again. Let's add some detail inside. So we're going to start with a straight line going across the top and bottom. I'm just going to round out the sides. Let's add two small circles on the top corners. Now we're going to move inside this rectangle. We're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes and then fill that in black. Let's add a small oval in the center, in between the eyes. Add 2 lines coming down. And then from the side of the mouth, we're going to add a seam, going out and then up. Now in the center, we're going to step down and add a curve. We're going to go up and then down. If you gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curves down and then up towards the toes. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend that down towards the heel. Now let's go back up to the hips. We're going to curve the leg. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go halfway across the leg. We're going to add a seam for the fold of the pants, just bending them across. Now underneath that cassette, we're going to draw 2 lines for the belt buckle coming down, flatten off the bottom. From the bottom corners, we're going to step up, curve the belt going out and then up towards the hips. From the right hip, let's draw the bottom of the belt. We're going to bend this out and then down. Angle this back down and in toward the leg. We'll step up and draw another straight line. Let's go back up to the top and draw the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. We want to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And line it up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side clenched into a fist. So we're going to start underneath the thumb, coming down, and just bending that up around the bracket. Let's go to the side, add the 2nd finger, going out and then in. Let's add the 3rd finger from the side, going all the way around towards the arm. Tuck that in underneath the collar. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the cuff, starting from the thumb. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's move up and draw a seam for the cuff, coming in. And then inside that cuff, we're going to draw 2 straight angled lines. Now I want to draw a character standing on top of the hoverboard. So from the heels, let's connect them with a straight line going across. Then from the toes, just going to round up the side, going around and then in towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom with another straight line. Let's add 2 large circles on either side, starting from the bottom of the foot, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up toward the top. Draw that same size circle on the right. Let's add a stripe in the center. From the top, draw 1 line, come down and draw the 2nd line. And then you want to trace these 2 circles on the inside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Ollie from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.